Hi, welcome. We're working on the very last system of ArcoLinux. ArcoLinux doesn't have a number anymore. You're always up to date if you do an update, a scal and an up all. But there is an alias that says, with what ISO did you start back in a few months ago, right? So this is the ISO that we're going to release mid-September. This video is for the core members and also maybe for the beta testers and people who want to learn about GitHub, about ArcoLinux. How did we build this? There is a URL that's interesting for you to know, that you can get our stuff in easily. arcoGetStarted.6. Take a look at bit.ly. It's a company website where you can make an URL, a point to a specific place, and this is Dropbox, right? So this is our place to be, and we download a tar.gz, so get started tar.gz. If we do a clean installation and we want to develop further on that machine, we're gonna extract this here, and the tar.gz can go. We have a get started, and I run, of course, the minimal start here, but you can also copy paste these guys over. Well, if you want to learn about Carly and ArcoLinux, that's this selection. This is my private collection of GitHubs, which I do not install anymore. I'm all focused on ArcoLinux these days. Well, these years, it's the 4th year we're going in for ArcoLinux. So normally, let's do what I normally do, is right mouse click, open terminal, and I say, do me a minimal installation. The difference is if it's going to install all the Saturday icons and all the surfing icons. You know the drill. You want to know the difference between minimals install and full start. Melt, use, melt all the time. So here we have the difference between the Saturday extra icons, Saturday mint icons and surfing icons. And here I'm going to install already all the GitHubs, but we can do that manual as well. So he's doing what he needs to do, running, updating stuff. Dynamic AOR is new. Okay. We need to reboot. If you see a Linux kernel, you keep in your head, oh, I should reboot. All right. Now, when it's doing all that, something's going to happen to your computer. This is your home directory. And it is like that, right? All these folders will come in your home directory. And well, that's what we do, right? 90%, if not 99% of our time, we're just working on ArcoLinux. So it's gonna be on this level, not inside some kind of folder. And we'll see, oh, there they are, right? So this is what we do. We've got some divisions, calamares, all the ArcoLinux Bs, the Ds, all the dconf, all the desktop files, how to build an ISO, well, all the ISOs, right? The repositories, wallpapers, which will not get, and all the Carly stuff. So that's basically what I do. I install all the software I need and I want. This is Nemesis running, installing, what's it called again? The Office application, WPS Office is installed and stuff like that. So the things I like and love, I just run it and I choose for number 1. This is watch out, right? In all red, do not install this, just for the computer Very Dubois Intel based graphical card. That's what I have. And if I want to record without any glitches, I need to say number 1, since this is XFCE OpenBox i3, and otherwise I choose something else. That's it for me. I need to reboot, and next thing I'm gonna do is, whenever I'm working on something specific, I will get all ArcoLinux gits. I'll just show you one thing, right? I just run this and that's it. I go and have supper and everything will be downloaded, and then we can work on it. So the core members do exactly the same thing. They want to change something, they go into ArcoLinux bin, they go etc, the scal, Control H, right? Bin, change something that I see. They push it again with the command to push. We use our little script here, push it to the internet. we package it, we put it on the repo, you get it. That's how it works. Alright, so if you want to see the details, technical part of what's behind your operating system, you can do it like this. Enjoy!